What's up, everybody? Chef Anthony Albrittain here, the Carolina cook, cooking, tasting, and eating the Carolinas. Tonight, I'm gonna do a simple side dish for y'all that y'all can use to accompany any main course or main dish that you want to. I will be doing some grilled asparagus wrapped in bacon. Sounds good, don't it? I can see your mouth watering already through the screen. Yo, to be honest, I don't know how this is gonna come out because I had fresh asparagus and I messed around and got some canned asparagus. All right, trying to cheat as a chef, trying to cheat. This is a learning moment though, because we're gonna learn how not to be wasteful and how to make it work. One is firm asparagus, so what I'm gonna have to do is put a couple of these together, then wrap them in the bacon. Okay, I'm gonna toss them in some minced garlic and olive oil and season with garlic powder, onion powder, salt, and pepper. Tossed. I got some turkey bacon here. I don't eat pork. And where I'm at, for some reason, it's hard to find beef bacon. So I'll opt for turkey bacon. And since these are thin and soft, I'm gonna add a couple. I'm gonna wrap like a couple of them in the bacon. Place it on the bacon like so, then I'm gonna roll it. I don't have to tell some of y'all how to roll because I'm quite sure some of y'all know how to roll. All right, that's the best I got for y'all. That's it. All right, do about 5 of them. The grill has been preheated to 400 degrees. Don't laugh, this is my grill. Now I done enough episodes on that big grill. It's time for me to use a little kitchen grill. Be sure to create a non-stick surface using cooking spray or oil. Add that. I've added my asparagus. And, beef bacon or whatever is, or pork bacon if you eat pork, is a whole lot thinner and a whole lot easier to wrap with, a lot easier to wrap than turkey bacon. So you're going to let these go, crisp on one side, then rotate them. All right. And once I get my desired consistency, I'm going to go ahead and take them off. They didn't come out bad, y'all, but the thing is, please use fresh, stiff asparagus. And when you use a stiff asparagus, you just want to cook them until they're easy to be pierced with a fork. Okay? When you use a fresh asparagus, you want to roast them, cook them first. But since these are canned and soft, I went ahead and rolled them up. All right, now that I got them sealed, I'm gonna move them over to the flat part of the grill. Here, I'm just gonna see how that non-stick spray helping me out. You see how as it cooked, that bacon has tightened up around there. You want to roll in the opposite direction of the bacon so that the bacon doesn't unravel, of course. All right, so some of them gonna try to do what they want to do. So I'm holding them together with the skewer. Of course, I've turned the temp down to let's turn it down to about 300. And just let it go. Since I don't have my butter sauce made yet, I'm gonna go ahead and hit them with some oil. But I would advise you to use the butter sauce if you want more flavor. But since I'm going to top them off with the butter sauce, I don't think that it matters. See, beef and pork bacon going to produce their own grease, but see, with the turkey bacon, you gotta assist it with some extra moisture to get that good sizzle going and get a nice crisp. All right, as you can see, I gave them a little flip. Let's get this skillet heated up. That I should have been had heating up already. And I'm gonna do like a rosemary butter sauce. Rosemary with a few extra flavors. As an added bonus, I wasn't gonna put in the video. I'm gonna go ahead and grill up a good steak. Get some good grilled char marks on the presentation side of the steak. All right. Got some butter on that skillet. Add some rosemary, garlic powder, the onion powder. Wasn't enough flavor coming through, so I hit it with some all-purpose seasoning. And of course, the steak is going to release its own flavors in there as well. I'm going to go ahead and put this steak in that butter sauce and let it finish off. Now, I know I'll be all over the place, but you know, you just got to piece it together when you watch the video. Just follow the process. All right, I added some garlic to this butter sauce as well to give it some extra flavor. And then I'm just basting my steak with the butter sauce to keep the steak moist. And I'm going to finish the steak off in this sauce, and it should be ready in a few minutes because it was already partially cooked on the grill. I'm cooking mine well done. It's up to you whether you want yours rare, medium rare, well done, or whatever. Listen, it's all about that cast iron skillet. All right? You're not cooking till you cooking with cast iron, boy, I'm telling you. Okay, folks, I am done. Now, let me hit it with some of this pan sauce. There you have it. Doesn't that just look succulent and appealing? Let's remember it for what it was. You might say it's an apron, but right now this is an oversized bib. All right. This asparagus wrapped bacon. Bacon wrapped asparagus, full of flavor. I can't even describe it. You got the flavor of the bacon. Then you got all of that garlic and seasoning. Look, it's just nice, juicy, tasty. The steak, I just gotta walk off. I gotta walk off. There you have it, a simple side. Just remember, if you're not happy, you just might not be eating good. Thanks for watching. Subscribe. This is the big one, Elizabeth. So good, I had a Fred G. Sanford moment. I'm coming to join you, honey.
Liketh, shareth thou the love, and subscribeth unto my channel.